today we're trying Luffy's bento bundle.
Messi?
It's a collab they had with Popeyes.
One
This
piece.
The box, it has some of the characters on the outside.
The One Piece is real.
Here's one. The box looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
I feel like it would be cooler. It's okay.
So this bundle is going to feature a custom 2-piece. You can order spicy, regular. It's gonna have mac and cheese, regular mac and cheese, and then they're gonna have the gum fruit lemonade.